So that's the other thing I'm doing. I'm also gonna go look at some racing wheels tomorrow, drag wheels. Hey YouTube, welcome back to another episode of memosgarageaz. What I'm doing today is I'm installing a new ISR Y-Pipe, and I'm putting some intake sleeves because these things alone are just not doing the job. My air intake temperatures are still rising a lot more than I want them to. When cruising, they're fine. It's when you're idle and the fans are blowing. I mean, the fans are literally blowing the hot air at it. So I bought these thermal sleeves, and I have the Y-Pipe here, which I'm going to be opening up soon. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be 91 today. There's a nice breeze. I have a clean garage. Let's get started. So let's unbox the ISR Y-Pipe, which I picked up from Conceptzperformance here in Arizona. They had it in stock, so was basically ready the next day for pickup. I think I opened it the wrong way. That's okay. Beefy. Holy crap. So this is supposed to be 2.75 inch piping, which it looks like it. Even though it looks big, it doesn't feel any heavier than any Y-Pipe I've had. In fact, I think that Megan Y-Pipe I'm about to take out probably weighs more than this. Oh. This is actually pretty. Inside of that, I mean, it just looks like good quality. These actually don't look that cheap compared to some of the flex couplers that come with other kits. It's got a nice bracket built in right here for support, and I really hope this thing fits good. The other part of this video, I believe this is the same brand of as the tape that I got. It's reflective tape. So basically this thing is like a big thermal blanket, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around the intake. Something like that. So hoping to bring the temps down even lower, because this is Arizona, it's freaking hot, and when the car sits at idle or at light, the intake air temperatures always shoot up. This definitely has helped, but I think with the addition of this will help a lot more. So there you are. Let's get started. So there you go. They're both out and next to each other. You should be able to see the difference, like the difference in piping size. It's very evident immediately. It looks like ISR puts their flex pipe further closer to this flange here. This one's more here, more in the middle between this first bend. And so here's where the difference is. This one collects further down here, and this one collects further up. So the question is, which design's better? Besides piping size, I mean, I don't know if I'll probably will feel some difference in power. Obviously, be able to push more exhaust flow through it. So ran into my first snag. Gee, what a surprise, right? The midsection Dovel bolts that come with the SOHO 3-inch single exit exhaust system. It's a pretty big bolt, pretty beefy. So guess what? Did not want to fit through here, so I made the hole bigger. Needs to go this way. So took a drill and just, you know, reamed the hole and made it fit. So keep that in mind if you're gonna get one of these to fit with your SOHO 3-inch exhaust system. You're gonna have to make these holes bigger. All right, let me finish this finally, hopefully. Okay, there it is. Installed product. So this one lined up a lot better than the Megan one ever did actually. So it's in there and like it feels like it's tucked in there better than the Megan ever was. So this one's actually gonna fit really, really well. Complete product, sleeves on. It's not perfect like the way I want it, but I didn't want to take the intakes off right now, so it's on there good enough. Next time I have to take these off, you know, I'll do that another day. Okay, let's go for a test drive. I have this new mount. These snaps I got from the company called Snap, and they're magnetic, so you can mount them in, you know, all kinds of configurations, and I can go over that later. But basically, right now I've had this suction one for a while. It's from GoPro makes it, so I'm thinking of doing kind of like a POV, except like, you know, from like this angle. I am gonna be doing some POV videos. Those are coming soon, but for this test drive I'm thinking I'm just gonna use this, and let's see how this works out. Actually, that looks kind of cool.
Waiting for pairing.
So far, I like how that sounds. Less raspier. It's not as raspy as it used to be. at 2,000 RPM, and it's can't really hear it. You can barely hear it. People are gonna start shooting back at me. Okay, well, I think that's a success. Finally installing, I finally found a good deal on some paddle shifters. And then I bought the steering column covers from C1 Motorsports. I think that's gonna be the next video. I also bought these 350Z carbon fiber intake. How do I say these? They're like those intake covers that divert air. On the 350Zs, you put them on the front bumper, and I'll put a picture of it up here on the screen. So I'm thinking of putting those at the bottom corners of the bumper, like right next to the fog light. I know that sounds weird, but I'm trying to get more air in there for the intakes because I don't have the long tube cold air intakes that go to the front of the bumper, like the ones that go to the bottom. So that's the other thing I'm doing. I'm also gonna go look at some racing wheels tomorrow, drag wheels. Feels good. It's got a nice pick up and go. Shut up. Definitely need better tires. I've been running the cheapies for a while, but so anyways, keep an eye out for those more videos for the track day. I'm calling them prep day videos, so I got 2 more coming before the track, and obviously the track day, so we'll see. November 14th, hopefully this time will stay that way. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I know I've seen more activity, so I know there's more people watching my videos, which is cool. I appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think about these ISR. I'm liking them a lot. Way better quality than the Megan Racing. But anyways, next video coming soon. Thanks again. Now with all this extra horsepower,